The Wellbeing Practitioner Diploma for Gut Health and the Connection with the Brain is a Gateway Workshops online course designed to fit around your current lifestyle needs. Now, it's a must-have for therapists looking to add to their knowledge, but also for complete beginners looking to start their career in this fascinating field. This online course, offered by Gateway Workshops, will teach you all about the connection between the digestive system and the brain and how they impact each other. Now, this diploma will give you an understanding of the anatomy of your digestive system and how your nervous system and brain functions and how they interact all with each other. This knowledge will then enable you to improve your health by introducing foods to yourself or your clients that are good for your gut and for your gut bacteria, and therefore our overall well-being, along with other natural remedies and tools that we can all use to improve our overall health. Once we have this knowledge, you will learn how to implement these changes using questioning and goal-setting methods that have worked time and time again. The course will provide you with the tools and how to understand and support your clients, yourself, family members suffering from digestive issues and mood issues as well. You can fit this course around your lifestyle and you can learn at your own pace with no exams, just an assessment at the end of each module. Your tutor will be there to support you all the way, and if you have any questions, you just have to ask. You will receive a high-quality manual along with online videos to support your learning. Once you have completed the course, you'll receive a professionally accredited certificate, allowing you to use your newfound knowledge with the general public and, of course, charge for your services. So join the thousands of students who have trained with our award-winning school, boasting a proven track record, extremely high standards, and expert tutors. You can start your Wellbeing Practitioner Diploma for Gut Health and the Connection with the Brain today.